pine tree sky, shadows dance where the embers light. Grandfather's voice, a melody of years. Each word he speaks, a gift through tears. Under the stars, the stories flow, echoes of a time we'll never fully know. Gather round the bonfire bright, the flames will warm the coldest night. Tell us again of the days gone by. Grandfather, your words never die. A land of gold, where the rivers bend, the tales of battles, of love that won't end. In the Cordillera, where hearts are strong,